Inzimam yani about joining. Okay. An inzimam. Okay. Yes. So أرسلني رسالة صابر أرسلني رسالة اليوم هو لا يندم اليوم بسبب هو مصاب بصدى فهمت؟ بسبب اوكي سو بسبب بسبب هو هو مصاب اوكي مصاب is suffering مصاب and use
Musa.
phrase بسدى okay بسدى okay so بسدى and other common disease okay and you can say amraz amma because is a what is a fever word فاهم fever word okay تذكرت
Darja Harara.
Mm. No, Darja Harara is not a fever, is a temperature, okay? But
Uh,
fever, yes. Darja Harara
uh,
is a temperature, okay? Darja
uh,
Harara, okay? Not Darja Harara,
fever is I know. Fever I
yes.
remember.
So here is what is Humma, Humma,
Humma.
Humma, okay?
Humma.
And you can say migraine, like headache, okay? Migraine, you can say what is Duar, Duar, okay? Du, Duar.
Duar.
Duar, Humma, Duar, and headache, Suda. Suda.
Suda.
Suda. Okay. So Humma and Duar and Suda. Mumtaz. Okay. So okay. So هو لا عندهم. Okay. Yes أنوراك. So كيف حال سنة؟ كيف حال سنة؟
سنت الحمد لله هو في في
And هو كويس
رحلة.
هو كويس ما في مشكلة هو
مم،
كويس هو زين.
هو زين
Okay.
بس لا ممكن آه،
يجي هنا.
جلس في يجي في
قطر.
قطر.
ايوه فهمت. آم، في قطر
آه،
في قطر هذه ايام انا يعني قطر ايرويز كيف تقول قطر ايرويز؟
آه، قطر
قطر
ايرويز.
ايرويز so قطر ايرويز what is so airways جو you can say جوية قطر جوية so جوية means airways you can say جوية قطر okay جوية قطر airways. And one more word, like this suppose airlines. So airways and airlines word is khutut jawiya. Okay, jawiya, khutut jawiya. You can say khutut jawiya Hindiya, Indian Airlines, khutut jawiya. Khutut jawiya means airlines. Okay, and here you can put here any name. Okay, any name. Khutut jawiya Hind, khutut jawiya Britannia, British Airways, khutut jawiya France,
Hmm.
France Airways, and khutut jawiya Kanda, Canadian Airways. Jawiya only jawiya is airways. Jawiya Qatar and Air India. You can say and Air India jawiya Hind. جوية
الهند.
هندية جوية اير انديا
Okay, Air India.
اير انديا
Only so
ايوه
air يعني جوية.
جوية
lines يعني خطوط.
خطوط
Okay.
لاينز مينز خطوط اوكي
Hmm.
तो جوية هندية اير انديا جوية جوية
جوية.
هندية جوية هندية okay uh, and here is a common word suppose Qatar Airways or just started operation so is it first I teach you common word is a common and second a little okay and first is
Hmm.
common word you can say no started work so how to say started operation keep cool
Um,
but
started
jawiya
would be
but remember تذكر remember jawiya yani is a feminine word yes jawiya qatari
okay.
Mhm.
So the
Okay Qatar
Qatar
Airways
Airways has started operation.
started operation for few countries in the world, okay, except India
Okay.
and Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Mumtaz?
So okay, Qatar Airways has started
Mhm.
uh, operations. Okay. Uh, Javiya Qatar.
أيوة.
Javiya Qatar Bidaya.
Yes. No. Yes.
Javiya
ممتاز. Yes.
Qatar.
Okay. ممتاز. So جوية قطر بدأ هي أنوراغ جوية قطر جوية قطر بدأت. Okay. بدأ is a past tense. بدأ
Started. Okay. Badaat.
بدأ is a is a masculine. بدأ and at feminine. بدأت.
Badaat.
Okay. So جوية قطر بدأ الشغل. simple. بدأت
Badat.
شغل.
Sugar.
simple.
Sugar.
شغل بدأ
Uh,
شغل. Few countries and
so
many
the
countries.
sentence was Qatar Airways has started operations except
Except أيوة. Except
except
what is أنوراغ. Except what is إلا.
illa sugar.
أيوة.
So Javiya Qatar Badaat sugar illa
أيوة.
al Hind al Pakistan al Bangladesh wa al Nepal.
الهند. Okay. So جوية قطر بدأت شغل إلا هند إلا الهند باكستان نيبال وبنغلاديش. Okay. So and no flight is coming from India to Qatar. No flight is coming.
No flight is coming from India.
Yes. And here is Anurag is a flight word. Is a flight word you can say Tehran.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me try.
No, is it see Taira is aeroplane. Okay. Taira is aeroplane. But Tehran is flight. Okay. Tehran is flight. Okay. No flight. You can say Anurag, you can say La Taira, you can say La Tehran, both. Okay. But actually Tehran means flight. Okay. And Taira means aeroplane. Aywa. No flight is coming.
So La Tehran iji min al Hind.
ممتاز. لا طيران يجي من الهند. لا طيران يجي من الهند.
I think it is good. You keep on giving me sentences. I will keep on translating.
Yes.
But then that will increase my confidence also.
Yes. So لا طيران يجي من الهند. And government of India decided to open international flight in end of July or in beginning of the August. Okay. So government of India, Cape Ghoul, government of India, government of Qatar, government of any country, government of India. Mumtaz, Cape Ghoul.
Government will be Hukumi.
Government of India.
Hukumi.
Hukuma. What is?
Hukuma.
Aywa.
Hukuma al-Hind.
Hukuma al-Hind. Okay. Hukuma al-Hind.
Hukuma al-Hind has decided.
Okay, al-Hind. Okay. Hukuma al-Hind.
Hukuma al-Hind
decided.
Decided is Qarar.
Okay. Decided Qarar. But you can say decided word is ittakhazat. Ittakhazat. Okay.
We cannot use the Qarar word because decided is also.
Qarar word is not decided. Only Qarar means decision, not decided, not a verb. Okay. Ittakhazat. Al-Qarar. You can say Al-Qarar. Ittakhazat Al-Qarar. Okay. So Hukum al-Hind ittakhazat Al-Qarar to open.
What does intakhazat would mean? Intakhazat itself, what does it mean?
Intakhaza, not intakhaza. Ittakhaza.
No. Intakhazat would mean what? Yeah, means decided, right?
Actually, ittakhazat means actually took decision. Okay. Literal meaning decision. Took. Okay. Literal meaning took decision. Okay. But in Arabic, you can in literal Arabic, it's also literal. But other way you can say this qarar word, you can make it, you can use as a verb also. So this word would be like this: Qarrarat, Qarrarat. Okay,
Karar.
Qarrarat. Okay, but Anurag, but this is very literal. Okay, I heard many times ittakhaza and then use al qarar. Okay, but you can use it direct Qarrarat. Qarrarat. You
Karar.
can use it. Okay, because you are
But
now you are not
intakhazat,
beginner. Okay, now you are not beginner. Okay, so you can use it Qarrarat.
so,
Qarrarat.
so
Aywa.
intakhazat would mean
Took
took.
decision. Yes.
No, no,
Took
not
decision.
the decision.
No, not
If I say
decision.
decision,
Decision was is qarar. Decision was
karar,
is
karar.
al qarar.
So,
Aywa.
so took, the meaning is coming from intakhazat.
Aywa. Mumtaz.
But we can also use akhud also.
Akhud. Ha,
For
you can say
result
ittakhazat, or you can say ittakhazat, and you can say akhazat. Akhazat. Okay?
akhazat.
Akhazat. Tamam? Right? Akhazat. But Anurag, for decision, I observed using of this word
Intakhazat.
ittakhazat. Not in is ta. Ittakhazat. Ittakhazat. Okay, ittakhazat. Okay, ittakhazat. Okay.
So,
And okay,
so,
so suppose
so
Anurag, we are using this word. Okay, now just we take other example. Okay, because this is very important. Suppose a company decided, company decided same word is al qarar or sharika word is a feminine. So how to say company decided?
Sharika intakhazat al-karar.
Not in. Ittakhadha is a ta.
Ittakhazat, sorry.
Aywa,
Sharika ittakhazat al-karar.
al qarar. Okay. Now
So let us
what?
complete the first sentence.
Uh,
The
yes.
government of
Okay.
India
Okay.
has
Government of India.
decided,
Aywa.
government of India has decided to open flight by end of July. This
Aywa.
was the sentence.
Mhm.
So Hukuma al-Hind intakhazat al-karar
No,
to
don't say
open. So it will be maftu.
let go. Don't say let go. Not intakhadat. Ittakhadat. Ta. Ittakhadat.
It is, there is no N.
Not in. It's a ta. Two dot.
Okay. Ittakhazat.
Aywa.
Okay. Hukuma al-Hind ittakhazat, tamam? Ittakhazat al-karar.
Because
To open would be maftu.
so to open is uh open word is fatah. Fatah.
Fatah.
Okay. Fatah and li fatah. Li fatah. Maftu means what is maftu meaning, Anurag? Maftu meaning already something is open, right? Maftu means already something open. The door is opened. Okay. Maftu. Okay. But
Okay.
here is li fatah. Li
Bab
fatah. Okay.
li fatah. Li fatah. So li fatah, Tehran.
Aywa. Li fatah Tehran.
Li,
Okay.
li
Li
fatah
fatah Tehran.
Tehran.
International.
Bidai,
Internet. No. Li fatah Tehran. International flight. Aywa.
international flight. Okay. Open international flight.
Mhm.
So international will be
This
Daulat
uh,
Daulia
Dawli. Ad-Dawli. Ad-Dawli.
ad
Okay.
Dawli. Tehran
Ad-Dawli
ad
means
Dawli.
international. Or you can avoid al. You can say Tehran Dawli. Yeah. Al-Tehran Dawli. Al-Tehran Dawli international flight. At-Tehran Al-Dawli. So you can use it At-Tehran Al-Dawli, or you can say just Dawli, Tehran Dawli. International flight means At-Tehran Al-Dawli. So Al-Dawli means international. You know, is a domestic is Ahli. Ahli. No? Ahli hospital. Ahli. Ahli.
Ahli.
Okay. So
Okay.
Ahli means domestic. At-Tayran Ahli or Al-Tayran Al-Ahli or Al-Tayran Al-Dawli. Okay. So international flight. So repeat full sentence. Okay. Repeat word is I would say again and again. Anurag, repeat. I would say Raja. Raja. Raja.
Raja.
Repeat.
Raja.
Raja. Okay.
Repeat.
So
Raja.
repeat. Okay. So sometime you can use the takarrar. Sometimes you can say Raja. Okay, so Raja Jumla Kamila, full sentence. Okay, so Raja Jumla Kamila. Okay, Hukum al Hind اتخذت
حكومة
القرار لفتح الطيران الدولي okay in end of July. okay تفضل.
حكومة الهند اتخذت القرار
Hmm? Why
لفتح
are you saying, oh,
الطيران.
you are saying again in اتخذ اتخذ
No, no, اتخذت. No, I said اتخذت again.
okay.
حكومة الهند اتخذت
Mhm.
القرار
ايوه
لفتح الطيران الدولي.
ممتاز.
Now by the end is
in end of July يوليو. Mhm.
by the end of his
By the end
bidaya.
you can say by the end, you can say hatta. okay, hatta means by the end, or you can say till. okay, you can say hatta. okay. Mhm.
Hatta Yulio.
Hatta means till or by. okay, in this way.
Hatta Bidaya Yulio.
Hatta
Till
bidaya Yulio, or
Bidaya
end
Yulio.
of bidaya,
Hat-
bidaya and nihaya. Ni end.
Nihaya is end or Bidaya is end?
Bidaya is beginning,
Beginning. Okay, sorry. So
or
Nihaya.
nihaya is end.
So, so Hatta Nihaya Yulio.
ممتاز. تمام تمام.
So
So
once again,
سنة so سؤال أنا أنوراك سنة يشتغل في شركة يعني هو يندم الاستماع استماع الشركة أو هو أو لا يندم.
أنا أفكر سنتن سوف يندم في مكتب حتى نهاية سبتمبر.
اوكي فهمت أنوراك. سؤال أنا هو يندم استماع الشركة عبر الإنترنت فيه ما في؟ لا.
يا أيوة
اوكي هو يندم right يعني
يندم.
هو في شغل. I think and هو في شغل, he is at work right.
هو في شغل.
هو في
هو في
ايوه
شغل.
انا سؤال اوكي سؤال انا اوكي
هو في
سؤال انا
شغل.
ان هو في شغل. اوكي هو في شغل
يا
ان هو يشتغل من هناك. اوكي ممتاز. ان هو يشتغل من هناك. اوكي من هند. اوكي يعني هو يندم استمع الشركه. اوكي عبر الانترنت. ممتاز. so online عبر الانترنت. ممتاز. عبر
يا
internet. okay عبر الانترنت. okay so when
عبر
when the international flight will open, when the international flight will open, he will come.
تمام.
So here is what is when, use indama. okay indama.
Indama means when.
When.
But when was right? When means
but when you can say when means when right, when and where, when and when.
yeah. When no.
Oh,
When means
oh
when means where.
mata. Okay mata right, mata.
Mata is when, right?
But mata is an interrogative, right? It's an interrogative, right? Mata when is interrogative, right? Here we are talking not about interrogative, right? Fahim, Anurag?
So we are asking when he will join.
Yes. So
When.
we are not asking a question, okay? I'm just giving a statement, okay, right? Mata
Okay.
is when interrogative. Mafhum?
So uh, so I mean it is like when the international flights will open, he will join. So it's like a
Actually,
statement, it's not a
actually,
question.
actually, actually, here indama means you can say while, okay? Okay, while. Okay. So what is different? Okay. So Anurag, indama is when not interrogative. Okay. Is a statement. Okay. And mata is when interrogative, right? Mafhum?
Yeah, fine. So
Okay.
either I have to say when or while international flight will open, he will join.
Aywa.
So this is not a, so here the usage of the when is not like a question. It is a,
Not a
it is
question,
like
not a
a
question,
like a
not a question.
statement.
Yes. Aywa.
So here you are saying that we can use this thing called yandama.
Yeah. Indama. Okay. Indama.
Indama.
You can say indama.
Indama.
Or someone says andama. Okay. ठीक है. Indama or andama. Okay. Indama. Okay. Indama international flight will open.
So Indama al al Tehran al Dawli
Mhm.
uh, will open
Yeah.
means
Yafta. Yafta. You can say sayafta, or you can say just direct only yafta.
Sayafta,
Yafta.
right?
Yafta.
Yafta.
Okay.
But
Yafta.
we can say Sayafta also, right? I'm more
Sayafta
comfortable
also.
because
Okay. Literal,
at least for a
but
learning
actually in
perspective,
spoken
I
Arabic.
want to use the word sa, and then later on, once conversation becomes better, then I will drop it.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So, so Indama al Tehran al Dawli uh, uh, Sayafta
Mhm.
Sayafta. So he will join Hua Yandam.
Wayandam. Wa
Hua Yandam.
Wayandam. Actually, Anurag, Sayafta, no one use Sayafta. Why? Because you are giving this statement. He will come. He uh, when when international flight will open, and when international flight when international flight opens
Hmm.
okay. So meaning, but both sentence is talking about future, okay.
Future
Actually,
only. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, by
So
sense, it is
this
correct.
that is why that is okay. Ki no need to say sayafta, okay, in
Hmm.
spoken Arabic.
So in the al Tayara al Dawli Yafta
Aywa.
Hua Yandam.
Simple.
Hua Yandam Sharika.
Wayandam sharika. Mumtaz. Mumtaz, okay. So Yandam, Yandam Asharika, you can say after Yandam, you can use phrase always, uh, you can say ila. Yandam,
Yandam Ila.
ila,
Yandam Ila.
Yandam ila, Sharika. Yandam ila, Sharika. Or he will join us. The ila change, ilaina, ilaina,
Hmm?
ilaina. He will join
Ilahina.
us. He will
He
join
will join.
us.
He will join Sharika.
Ila Sharika, and he will join us. Ilaina.
That I don't know.
No, no. Suppose how to say he will join us. So how to say?
Okay, okay. So uh, Hua he will join us. Yandama? Yandana?
No, same.
Hua Yandam ila Ana.
Ilaina. So ila. Actually, see here. Ila plus na. Okay. Ila plus
Yeah.
na
Ila. Yeah.
became
So he
ilaina.
will join. Okay. Hua Yandam ila na. Ilana.
Ilaina. Ilaina. Ilaina.
Ilaina. Ilaina.
Ilaina.
Hua
Okay.
Yandam Ilaina.
Okay. And he will join me. So join me word is ila plus E. Okay. So ila plus E, sound it ilayya. Okay. Now you remember it. Ilayya. Ilayya. Okay. So now remember both words. To us,
Yeah.
ilayna or ilayya. Okay. And he will join me. Okay. Yandam ilayya. And he will join us. Yandam ilayna. Okay. Suppose Sanatan join us from India. Okay. Cape Ghoul. Join Sanatan join us from India. Okay.
From India.
Sanatan joins us from India.
Just let me write this. He will join me will be
Ilayya.
Yandam
Ilayya.
Ilayya. Ilayya. So it is basically a join. Ila plus E becomes
E.
Ilayya.
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 Join me. Ilayya. Join us. Ilayna. And make a statement. Okay, Sanatan is joining us from India.
Okay. So Santan is joining us from India.
Aywa.
Santan is joining us from India. Santan is joining us from India. So it will be uh, Santan uh, Yandam.
Yandam.
So us Santan Yandamna
No.
Minalhil.
No, no. After phrase. Ilayna. Okay. Not, don't make, don't put direct na. Okay. Put after ila. Fahim?
So Santan Yandam Ilaina Minalhil.
Ilayna. Okay. Is a phrase. Actually, you don't put na direct. Okay. Put after
Okay.
ila because it's a phrase. Always use phrase yandam after yandam ila. Okay. Yandam ilayna.
Ilaina.
Yandam ilayna. Suppose, uh, yes. So yandam ilayna minal hind. Okay. Minal
Hind.
hind. Okay. And suppose here is word is a, suppose is a, here is no, here no is pronoun. You can use it, and he will join meeting from India. Kevgul. He is joining the meeting from India.
Uh, he is joining the meeting from India. Hua uh, Yandam
Aywa.
uh, Ishtima Minal Hind.
No, but yes. So who I am them and use better is ila. Okay, right?
But where? I mean, after Yandam, Yandamila.
Aywa here na yandam ila, na yandam ila ina ila. Okay, yandam ila.
No, no, but our sentence was he is joining the meeting. So why
Ha.
are we using ila here?
So he is joining the meeting. I'm saying he is joining the meeting. So the meeting. This phrase is in English. Okay, but Arabic same phrase use after to. He is joining to the meeting. Okay.
Okay, he is joining to the meeting.
Yeah,
That
in
is how we
Arabic.
say in Arabic.
In Arabic. But Anurag, it is not very rigid rule. You can use direct. You can use direct. Okay. But if you
Hmm.
use ila, it's better. Okay. It's grammatically correct. Okay. So if you
Hmm.
use ila, it's better. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can
So
say,
so so
Aywa,
so huwa yandam ila istima
ila istima
min al hind.
minalihin is better. Okay. Because here is yandamna. So yandamna, I think it is it doesn't sound good. Okay. Yandamna. Yandam ilaina. Yandam
Hmm.
Ilaina, not Yandam, not direct, okay? Yandam na, not direct,
Ilaina.
okay?
Yandam
Yandam
ilaina.
Ilaina, okay? And joining us, Yandam Ilaina, okay? And Yandam ila alistima, Yandam ila alistima min al Hind, okay? So use is ila is a phrase. It's called a phrase, okay? Yes. So Yandam Ilaina uh, alistima, Yandam Ilaina ila alistima min al Hind. Mumtaz. Okay. So and he will join after half an hour.
Uh, uh, huwa yandam ila uh,
Ilaina.
il, ilaina. He will join us after half an hour.
Mhm.
So huwa yandam ilaina. Um, after is baden.
Not baden, bad.
Bad.
Bad
Bad.
nussa.
Uh,
Bad nus.
half an hour is uh,
Bad nussa. Bad.
bad nussa. Bad
Bad
nussa.
nussa. After half an hour, bad nussa.
Bad.
Bad nussa. Bad nussa. Okay, continue. I will join. I will join. Uh, I will join after a moment.
Um, I will
Continue.
join.
Continue. After I will join you. I will join you. Aha. So continue. I will join you after a moment.
Okay. Alatul.
Aywa, Mumtaz.
Alatul.
Mhm.
Uh, uh,
Alatul,
I will.
Mumtaz.
So ana yandam.
Aywa,
I
Andam.
will ana yandam ila.
Andam, Andam,
Uh,
Andam,
ana andam. Uh, I will join.
you.
I mean, it is necessary to say you. I mean, we that is
See here,
understood, right?
see here. Andam, Andam ilaik.
Andam ila dagiga.
Andam ilaik.
Andam ilaik.
Andam ilaik. I will join you.
Andam
Okay.
ilaik.
So alatul, alatul, alatul. Andam ilaik. Andam ilaik.
Andam
Okay.
ilaik dagiga.
Or female, baad dagiga. You can say baad dagiga. After a while, baad dagiga. Or you can say after a while. Here is what is baad dagiga. You can say dagiga. Okay. So you can say baad dagiga and two more words. Baad dagiga. Or you can say بعد لحظة بعد after a moment بعد
Bad.
لحظة and period word is you can say here is word fatara okay after you can say this word after a while word fatara okay fatara okay bad fatara after a while okay so bad fatara after a while so bad daqiqa bad lahza and bad fatara okay so if you want to say ki just few minutes bad daqiqa bad lahza or bad fatara maybe fatara half an hour and 1 hour 40 minutes 30 minutes maybe okay bad fatara after a while okay after a while word is bad fatara okay so ala tul andam ilayk بعد فترة so على طول أنزم إليك or okay here is what is إليك how to say suppose how to address a lady إليكي okay إليكي
Ilaiki.
okay or you can say you all you can say إليكم
Ilaina.
إليكم
You
إليكم
all.
you
Ilaikum.
all okay
Ilaikum.
إليكم okay so على طول أنزم إليكم okay so على طول is okay على طول أنزم إليكم okay yes ممتاز ممتاز okay اوكي نراك سو يس الحين نتكلم الحين نتكلم عن جائحة كورونا في قطر اوكي سو كيف اخبار شنو اخبار اليوم عن جائحة كورونا
Mhm.
شنو اخبار اليوم قريت 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 الاخبار قريت الجريدة قريت الجريدة
Ana
او سمعت الاخبار
ana la ikra
لم
akhbar.
اقرا لم اقرا انا
Ana lam akra
لم اقرا
akhbar
اوكي لم
al-yawm.
اقرا لم اقرا اي جريده اوكي سميت سميت الاخبار did you hear did you listen سميت الاخبار
Uh,
سميت اوكي سميت الاخبار
Samit.
ايوه
La.
لا so
La.
same how to say لم اقرا and how to say in this way I didn't hear
Lam Samit.
no لم اسمع
Lam asma.
لم اسمع okay لم
Lam
اسمع
asma.
or you can say ما في سميت but this is a not a good sound mafi samet because I did not hear like this mafi samet just in this phrase lam asma lam akra lam asma lam akra
Is there a method where we put lam or mub or
simple it's a method you can say mafi samet you can say mafi samet but it's a better way to say mafi samet or lam asma what is to say easily lam asma okay it's an option okay
la asma?
if you it's a rule it's a rule it's a rule if you want to express past negative if you want to express meaning in past negative okay so all so use present form and sub and prefix lam for example what I'm saying if you want to express past negative, tamam,
Hmm.
tamam, tamam, use present form. For example, is this is past, this is past. Samit means I heard,
I heard.
okay, tamam, I heard. What is the present form? Asma, I am hearing, I am hearing.
Hmm.
Mumtaz, okay, so Samit is past and Asma is present. Mumtaz, now I
Mumtaz.
am saying is a rule. I am saying if you want to express past negative, it's better
I did not.
use, it's better use present form and prefix lam. It's the rule. I just simple. Suppose I did not hear. I did not hear. You can say Mafi Samit. Mafi, Mafi Samit, Mafi Samit, Mafi Samit, Mafi Samit. I did not hear, but I'm saying it's better say just use present form and put before and prefix lam. Simple. So lam,
Lam asma.
lam asma,
Lam asma.
lam
So
asma.
you, so mostly we you should use lam asma
Okay. So
is better.
when you intend to express meaning in past negative, it's better use present form and prefix lam. Mafhum?
Okay.
Mumtaz. Okay. So
Okay.
lam akara. So
Well,
this is also very common sentence, and now is a remember as it is. Okay. So remember as it is. Uh, lam akra, lam akra. I lam akra means
Akra means to read.
or lam
I did
akra.
not read.
I
I did not read.
I did not read. Okay. And now translate. Lam asma.
I did not hear.
I did not hear. Okay. Lam aktub.
Uh, I did not study.
I did
Uh,
not. I did not write.
I did not write. Okay, study
Hmm.
will be
Oh, I did not
this.
study.
Uh, mm, lam adrus.
Lam adrus. Lam lam adrus. Okay. So this rule applies only for literal verbs. If you use informal verbs, so it doesn't reply. Okay. For example, row. For example, row. So row word is not formal. It's informal. Okay. So don't apply here. Okay. So only for literal word. Okay.
So for if it is row and
And I did not go. Did not go. So did not go is correct. Mafi ruht. Mafi
mafi
ruht.
mafi
Okay.
ruh.
Mafi ruht. It's okay. It's okay. Mafi ruht. Okay. So lam adrus. Okay. Mumtaz. Lam adrus. Okay. So lam adrus and suppose I did not say. So I did not say what is also informal. You can say mafi gult.
Mafi gul.
Gult. I did not say. I did not say mafi gult. Mafi gult. I did not say. Okay. So mafi gult. Okay. I did not. I did not wake up. I did not wake up.
Mafi
Mafi gumt.
gumt.
Mafi gumt.
Mafi gumt.
Mafi gumt. Mafi gumt. Okay. I did not sleep. Mafi nimt.
Mafi
Nimt.
nim.
Nimt. Okay. So these verbs, these sentences, just remember as it is. Okay. Mafi nimt.
Mafi
Mafi
nim.
nimt. Okay. Yes, so نوراك يعني شنو اخبار اليوم and شنو اخبار اليوم about عن جائحة about is عن جائحة كورونا في قطر. Okay, so I asked you سألت or
So I
سألتك
asked.
I asked you سألتك شنو اخبار اليوم. سألتك قرأت الجريدة. قريت الجريدة اليوم. قريت الجريدة اليوم. And your answer جوابك I did not.
I did not
عربي.
read.
عربي.
أنا لا لم أقرأ.
أيوة أنا لم أقرأ. لم أقرأ.
لم.
Okay. And سؤال تاني. سؤال تاني أو سؤال تالي. So if I say tali, tali means next. تالي. سؤال تالي. And سؤال تالي سمعت الأخبار يوم. سمعت أخبار اليوم. And your answer same. I did not hear. سمعت الأخبار اليوم.
لا أسمع.
لا أسمع.
لم أسمع.
لم أسمع. لم أسمع. لا أسمع means I'm not hearing. لا لم أسمع. لم أسمع. لم أسمع. Okay. So لم أسمع. الحمد لله. إصابة جديدة is same is إصابة جديدة decreasing. كيف نقول؟ إصابة جديدة new cases. إصابة جديدة decreasing.
Yeah. So إصابة
إصابة جديدة
إصابة
decreasing. decreasing.
decreasing is ينخفض.
تنخفض because it is a feminine word.
تنخفض.
تنخفض. So إصابة جديدة تنخفض. و حالة إصابة حالة شفاء. حالة شفاء increasing. حالة شفاء.
حالة شفاء ترتفع.
حالة شفاء ترتفع. حالة شفاء ترتفع. اوكي ممتاز. وكيف حال كورونا؟ وكيف الجو العام لكورونا في هند انوراغ؟
من الهند حالة لا كويس.
حالة. okay so حالة كورونا you can say حالة كورونا. حالة كورونا. okay here is what is la cois. So la cois what is it does not sound better. You can say mafi cois. Simple is what is mafi cois. Mafi zen. Mafi cois. Okay. Is new infection is increasing rapidly. What you can say quickly. Rapidly what do you know? Sura. Okay. Now say new cases increasing rapidly.
New cases I don't remember. Cases
you can say hala jadida or you can say isaba jadida. Isaba. Actually isaba means infection. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Isaba means infection or cases means hala. Okay. Yes.
So isaba jadida min al Hind.
Fill in.
في الهند ترتفي very fast rapidly. سرعة.
اوكي. إصابة جديدة ترتفي سرعة. اوكي تمام. اوكي يعني كم إصابة جديدة؟ كم إصابة جديدة؟ اوكي كم إصابة جديدة؟
كم إصابة جديدة؟
كم إصابة جديدة؟ كل يعني كل every day كل يوم
في الهند every day
كل يوم
كل يوم تقريبا 24,000.
اوكي ممتاز. اوكي so
24,000.
yes so 4
إصابة جديدة.
14 قول مرة ثانية. قول say again. قول مرة ثانية. Number,
No, I
number.
want to say that in India, every day, 14,000 cases
Okay.
are coming up,
Okay. Now
are
Arabi. Yeah.
coming
Okay.
up.
Gul fi Arabi.
So, في الهند تقريبا أربعة وعشرة ألف
No.
إصابة
So
جديدة يجي.
between Arba wa Ashra. Is no wow. Here is no wow. 11 to 19 between no wow.
So أربعة
Simple.
عشر
أيوة.
14,000 إصابة جديدة.
سبعة جديدة كل يوم. زيادة ها والله really زيادة اوكي ولا زيادة اوكي
هذا زيادة.
اوكي سو الحين كم إصابة جديدة إجمالي total الحين الحين so now الحين كم إصابة الحين كم إصابة جديدة الحين كم إصابة جديدة إجمالي أنوراغ total إجمالي okay إجمالي so الحين كم إصابة جديدة إجمالي في الهند أيوة تفضل
حتى الحين
حتى الحين till now ممتاز حتى الحين ممتاز
حتى الحين تقريبا 400,000
400,000 ممتاز 4 اوكي ممتاز
تقريبا
400
400,000 تقريبا 400,000
ايوه
جاية
400,000
إصابة كورونا
اوكي ممتاز اوكي it is understood 400
إجمالي.
it's answer 400,000 تقريبا 400,000 or you can say تقريبا 400,000 you can say فوق اوكي above اوكي فوق 400,000
فوق 400,000
فوق 400,000 فوق 400,000 اوكي 4 lakhs اوكي above 4 lakhs اوكي فوق 400,000 ممتاز وكم نسبة وكم and here is okay and كم نسبة means here you can say average نسبة وكم نسبة وكم نسبة حالة وفاة
نسبة
كل
is
يوم
average.
average نسبة average وكم نسبة حالة وفاة كل يوم any number ممكن ممكن
maybe
40 50 or 100
so أنا أفكر تقريبا
ايوه
أنا أفكر تقريبا 200,000
200 no وفاة death
وفاة
death
وفاة maybe
ممكن
تقريبا
ممكن maybe ممكن
تقريبا آه، آه، 50,000
not
تقريبا
50,000 only
50,000
50 كل يوم
every day.
ايوه
No, every day ki till day.
every
Or
day
till day.
every day
تقريبا آه، 100
اوكي تقريبا 100
تقريبا
100
100
نفر
وفاة
100 نفر you can say نفر 100 نفر 100
100
نفر
نفر means 100
person
people.
body
Yeah.
100 person
تقريبا 100 نفر
100 نفر 100 نفر 150 150
وفاة
100 150 ممتاز so 100 نفر
So
و 150 نفر
how do we say that approximately 100 people die every day, if you have to say that?
approximately what is حوالي حوالي approximately what is حوالي okay
So we have to say
almost you can say
Hawale
almost
approximately
uh,
100 people. So Mia
Mia Nafar.
Nafar
Mhm.
uh, died
Dies Mia Nafar is a dies Yamut. Yeah,
Yamut
Yamut.
Yamut Yamut kullu yawm.
كل يوم. Okay, so مية حوالي 100 نفر أو حوالي 150 150 150 150 نفر يموت كل يوم. Okay, هذا نسبة is average is زيادة. Okay, so حتى الآن till now آه، كم حالة وفاة إجمالي total، كم حالة وفاة إجمالي، كم حالة وفاة إجمالي حتى الآن إجمالي total you can say ممكن 14,000 ممكن. Suppose what is the 40,000 كم حالة وفاة،
Kam
كم حالة وفاة إجمالي حتى الآن.
uh, uh, أنا
Suppose
أفكر
14,000
حوالي
حوالي
فوق
حوالي
حوالي
حوالي is لام فتحة حوالي. أيوة
حوالي فوق حوالي فوق
فوق. اوكي
آه،
فوق حوالي فوق.
حوالي فوق آه، 14 ألف
14 اوكي 14 اوكي 4
4 ألف 14 ألف
14 ألف رايت
ألف
ألف
نفر أموت
يموت
يموت حتى الآن
حتى الآن
آه، till now حتى
till now
الآن
14 اوكي 14 ألف 14 ألف ممتاز. اوكي ممتاز. suppose uh, suppose here is a what is okay so في هند ماطر is raining في هند ماطر هذه ايام في الهند ماطر is raining ماطر
ماتر
في उत्तर प्रदेश في उत्तर प्रदेश ماطر raining
माफी ماتر माफी
ما في
ماتر
ماطر في يعني سمعت الاخبار did you hear news سمعت الاخبار في مومباي ماطر هناك في مومباي.
انا माफी समेत
اوكي انا ما في سمعت او سمي لم اسمع سمبل لم اسمع لم
لم اسمع
اسمع. اوكي لم اسمع. اوكي لم
لم اسمع
اسمع. لم اسمع انا قريت انا
how to say doubt
قريت الجريده مومباي في مومباي ماطر غزير raining heavily ماطر
ها
ماطر غزير means here is what is ماطر غزير is
heavily
raining heavily so raining heavily. okay في جنوب الهند in South India ماطر. okay في جنوب الهند في in South India في جنوب الهند. okay so في جنوب الهند or في شمال الهند. okay so in North India في شمال الهند. okay في جنوب الهند and في شمال الهند. okay في شمال الهند. okay so في جنوب
what
الهند
was heavily again what was
ايوه
heavily again
again
raining heavily
raining
matter
heavily is ماطر غزير ماطر غزير غين زي غزير ماطر غزير ماطر غزير. في جنوب الهند في جنوب الهند in different location in different places. okay so في جنوب الهند in different places and place word is you can say makan and places word is amakin in different location or in different places في في أماكن مختلفة في الأماكن المختلفة. what is here is what is Anurag is a place what is makan place
this I know
makan.
makan
okay
makan is places
and places is amakin is places.
okay
okay And different word is mukhtalif. Different word is mukhtalif.
مختلف.
Mukhtalif. Mukhtalif. And because Anurag, it's a rule. It's a rule. It's a grammatical rule. Uh, Plural of any non-living thing. Plural of non-living thing. Okay. Non-living thing. It's considered feminine. Anurag. Mafhum?
Okay.
Mafhum? Any plural of non-living thing is considered feminine. Tamam?
Okay. تمام.
Mafhum? So here you can say in different places amakin mukhtalifa. So mukhtalifa change into with time marbuta mukhtalifa. Okay? Because amakin word is here considered feminine. Amakin mukhtalifa.
مختلفة.
Okay, but Anurag is a no problem. In spoken Arabic, you can use it just mukhtalif, no problem. Amakin mukhtalif, no problem in spoken, but actually is grammatical, is correct. Amakin mukhtalifa. Okay, so statement is in South India, in some places raining. Okay, cool. In South India,
آه، في في الجنوب الهند. في
no no
جنوب
no
الهند.
في جنوب الهند.
في جنوب الهند. آه، آه،
In some
what was the
places,
question?
in some places.
في أي أي مكان.
No,
أي أماكن أماكن.
some places, some word is baz. Baz.
باز.
Okay, baz. Baz
So
amakin.
في باز أماكن. باز أماكن.
أيوة.
Okay. في south is forgot.
في جنوب الهند.
في جنوب في جنوب الهند.
أيوة.
بعض أماكن
أيوة.
in some places it's raining, so
ماطر.
هذا ماطر.
ماطر. Don't say hard.
just
Say
say
ماطر.
ماطر. هذا ماطر.
ماطر. ماطر.
ماطر.
ماطر. Okay. Now is a say again. Gul maratani. In South India, some places raining.
so في جنوب الهند
أيوة.
بعض أماكن.
في بعض أماكن. In some
في
places. أيوة.
in okay في جنوب الهند في بعض أماكن ماطر.
ماطر. And in some places, and North India, in North India also is some places raining. In North
okay.
India also in some places
so
it's raining.
وفي شمال الهند
أيضا أيضا في شمال الهند أيضا
في
also.
شمال الهند أيضا what you say
in some places
in some
raining.
places. so في بعض أماكن مطر.
ماطر. قول مرة ثانية. قول مرة ثانية.
so في جنوب الهند
في شمال
في
الهند
بعض.
أيضا. في شمال الهند أيضا.
oh I was saying the whole sentence. From south and the north.
Okay, north.
so في جنوب الهند في بعض أماكن مطر.
أيوة.
وفي شمال الهند أيضا في بعض أماكن مطر.
ماطر. ممتاز. في مدينة كانفور ماطر.
لا أفكر.
اوكي.
ما في معلوم.
ما في معلوم. ممتاز. اوكي. So yes, في شمال الهند في جنوب الهند. Okay, and here is also one. So how to say شمال الهند and North India and South India. One the East India. You can say East India, شرق الهند. Okay, so now learn this word also. شرق الهند. شرق الهند. Okay, so شرق الهند. On how to say West India, or you can say West India, you can say sorry, غرب الهند.
Garbal Hind.
Gharbal Hind. Okay, so Gharbal Hind. So Gharbal Hind. So now say again. Say again. How to say South India?
South India is Junub al Hind.
Okay. North India?
Shamal al Hind.
Shamal Hind. Okay. East India?
East India Garbal Hind.
No, this word. East India.
Uh, this is
Sharqal.
Charkal
Sharq.
Hind.
Sharqal Hind. Okay.
Chark.
Sharq. Sharqal Hind. Okay. Now is West India?
Garbal Hind.
Garbal Hind. Okay. Sharqal Hind or Garbal Hind. Okay. So in which part? So in which part fi ai hissa, or you can say fi so part word you can say fi. Here is no, is Hindi word is also hissa, is part.
Hmm.
Hissa, hissa,
Hissa.
hissa.
Hissa is
So
the Urdu word actually.
hissa. So uh, fi ay hissa al Hind taskun. Fi ay hissa,
Taskun.
in which part? في أي حصة تسكن في الهند؟ شرق الهند
Taskun.
وغرب الهند وشمال الهند وجنوب الهند، في أي حصة؟
Which part? I don't understand. Which part you're asking?
في أي حصة in which part؟ في أي حصة
Uh,
تسكن في الهند؟
Taskun means?
stay, live, stay.
Acha, where do I
You
live?
forgot this word nasi taskun
Yeah,
askun.
Taskun.
Hmm.
Ah,
So
basically, where do
في
you?
أي حصة تسكن في الهند؟ يعني
So,
means west, east, west and okay south. Yes أيوة.
so أنا أسكن في شمال الهند.
في الشمال.
شمال
أنا
الهند.
في شمال الهند. أنا أسكن في شمال الهند. ممتاز. Okay. In which city? كيف قول in which city?
أنا أسكن في
Okay. كيف قول in which city?
مدينة كانپور.
Or how to ask in which city?
أي مدينة.
Okay. So في أي مدينة؟ في
في
أي
أي مدينة
مدينة
أسكن لك.
أسكن في مدينة كانپور. Or in which state? So what is state word?
No, but in which city, if I have to say in which city you live, if I'm asking a question, in which city you live, so I am saying في أي مدينة تسكن
أيوة.
لك. تسكن لك, right?
ممتاز. أيوة تسكن. Okay. في أي مدينة
تسكن لك.
تسكن. So في أي مدينة تسكن. Okay.
Luck.
In which
We'll have
state?
to. You
أيوة.
you can say it, but the expression of you, how it will come, luck, right? Taskun luck.
No,
In which city you
no,
live?
no luck, just تسكن.
Actually, Taskun will itself give
You,
the expression of you.
yes. أسكن
Hmm.
تسكن. Okay.
Understood.
And he lives يسكن. He lives
Hmm.
يسكن
في
تسكن.
أي مدينة يسكن. So in which city he lives?
Okay. So in which city does he stay? في أي مدينة يسكن. In which city do you stay? في أي مدينة تسكن. Okay.
Hmm.
So يسكن تسكن أسكن. Okay. So في أي مدينة تسكن. Okay. أسكن في مدينة كانفور. And in which state do you stay? في أي
في
state?
أي
تذكر state
ولاية.
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 So في أي ولاية؟ في
في
أي
أي ولاية
ولاية. أيوة. في أي ولاية؟ في أي ولاية
تسكن.
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 أوكي. ممتاز. كيف بقول أسكن في
What is the
ولاية.
question?
في
في
أي
أي
ولاية
ولاية
تسكن. مهم.
تسكن.
أوكي. The reply أسكن في
أسكن
ولاية
في ولاية उत्तर प्रदेश.
उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश. Okay. उत्तर प्रदेश. Okay. So شنو عاصمة उत्तर प्रदेश? عاصمة word شنو عاصمة؟ شنو عاصمة उत्तर प्रदेश? Shinu
Asim.
Shinu
Which
Asima, Uttar Pradesh. Asima
Asima
means
means?
capital. Asima means capital.
Shinu
Shinu
Asima Uttar
Shinu
Pradesh.
Asima,
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh. Aywa.
Asima.
Asima
So
means capital.
uh,
Okay. Shinu Asima, Uttar Pradesh.
Asima Asima fi Uttar Pradesh fi Lucknow.
No, so why Fi again? Asima, Uttar Pradesh. Fi Lucknow. You can say
Fi
Fi.
Lucknow.
Okay. Again.
Okay. Asima Uttar Pradesh fi
Fi
Lucknow.
Lucknow. Mumtaz. So Asima. Okay. So
So
Asima.
if I ask you a question, uh, fi Wayne Wayne uh, Wayne Taskun fi Lucknow.
Aywa. Askun Fi Lucknow. Aywa. Aywa. Aywa.
No,
Askun Fi
but I'm
Lucknow.
asking, where do you live in Lucknow?
Okay. Yes. So
Wayne Wayne
Askun Fi Khurram. What is it? Khurram. Khurram Nagar.
Khurram Nagar.
Khurram. Khurram Nagar. Nakar. Khurram Nagar.
Okay.
Samit Mantaka is the area. Samit Mantaka Indira Nagar. Samit Indira Nagar.
Anasma.
Samit.
Yeah,
Aywa.
Anasma.
Aywa,
Asma
Samit.
Asma.
Okay. So Khurram Nagar, Garib, Garib. Khurram Nagar, Garib, min Indira Nagar. Okay.
Mehendra Nagar.
Yani समेत मंतका समेत मंतका समेत मंतका what is famous is um, Indira Nagar and what's the word is Gomti Nagar. Samit Gomti Nagar.
Gomti Nagar.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
Asma.
Gomti Nagar, Indira Nagar, Khurram Nagar, Garib Garib. Fine.
Garib
Okay.
Garib. Tamam.
Mumtaz.
Uh,
So Asima
Anaro,
Uttar Pradesh. Okay.
Anaro, uh, Hazratganj,
Hazratganj. Okay.
uh,
So
Katira.
Hazratganj Anaro. No. You want to? I think you wanted to say ki I went, right?
Yeah, I went
Okay.
to
So I went
Anaru,
not Ro. Ro is going. I went. What is Ruhut? Ruhut. Okay. Past tense. Ruhut.
okay.
Okay.
Anaruh, Hazratganj,
Mm-hmm.
many times.
Yani katir marra. Katir.
Marathon.
مرة
Katir
كثير
Mara.
وكثير مرة okay. So مرة
Katir
كثير
Mara.
وكثير مرة so أنا رحت إلى حضرتگنج okay حضرتگنج this is a town. This town is a main city. Okay, is a main city. Medina. So Medina. So here is what is a Hazratganj. Hazratganj main city. Okay, Hazratganj main city. You can say Hazratganj, and Hazratganj. Medina, Medina. You can say main city. You can say main what you can say Asliya. Okay, Medina, Asliya.
Hmm.
Medina Asliya is the main city. Okay, so Hazratganj. So Hazratganj and Khurram Nagar or Gomti Nagar. Ba'id min Hazratganj. Ba'id. Far. Okay,
Right.
Ba'id.
Yeah.
Okay,
And Ana Shuf map.
Ana shift.
Uh,
Ana shuf.
uh,
I'm seeing or I saw. What are you saying?
no, no, I am seeing.
I am
I'm
seeing
seeing the
Ashuf. Okay,
map.
Ana shuf.
Ana Shuf, not Shuf. Ana Shuf. I
Aywa,
am seeing.
aywa. Ana shuf.
Ana Ana Shuf
Map.
map.
And map word is kharita. 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 Map is kharita.
Kharita. Ana
Okay. Ana
Shuf
shuf fi kharita.
Ana Shuf Kharita Alhin.
Aywa.
و shoe shoof. I mean, what I see is Khurram
Shinu
Nagar.
shift. Shinu shift. Okay, but shu shift is not. It's not sound better. Okay, because shu again and again repeat it. Okay,
Okay,
so
Shinu shift.
shinu shift
Shinu shoof.
what did I see? Shinu shift.
What I so
Huh.
what did I see? Shinu
Okay,
shoof.
so shinu shift hum aywa.
Kinushift
Hmm.
Zak,
Hmm.
that
Zak.
uh, Khurram Nagar fi Shamal al Lucknow.
ايوه 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 خرم نگر شمال الهند. uh, after 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 Nahar Gomti. Okay, after Nahar Gomti. Nahar means river. After Nahar Gomti. So actually is the word is Nahar is river. But
Yeah,
after
yeah, yeah.
Nahar Gomti, समेत मंतका समेत मंतका निशादगंज. तो निशादगंज 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 uh, Nishadganj is situated. What is situated? What is here is what is Nishadganj? You can say situated. What is Yaka? Where were we? I told
Uh,
where were we?
uh, Ana 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 Hevar fi
No, no, can
uh,
I كيف سؤال? How to ask? كيف سؤال? Where were we?
where were we? Vain Kunna?
हाँ وين كنا فين كنا ممتاز. It's very
Vain
simple.
Kunna.
Okay, so very simple expression. فين كنا or when كنا, where were we?
White
So
Sawal, this word Baz Amakin means, Baz means
baz means some. Baz
some,
some
yes.
in some places. Okay, so okay, so we were talking about natakallam, or here is what is natakallam, and here is what is a here is what is a uh, so nakun. Here is what is very what is nakun actually. Nakun natakallam, we were talking. Okay, Anurag, natakallam, we were talking. Nakun, we were talking.
We were talking. So,
We are talking,
Nagun,
natakallam,
Nagun,
but we were talking. Okay, nakun natakallam, nakun.
Nakun.
And here is what is nakun means. We were talking. Okay, and I were matlab past continuous. Anurag, sentence is past continuous. We were talking.
Hmm.
For example, for example, I was talking. So I was talking is nakun change into akun. Akun, akun atakallam, akun atakallam,
Why
akun.
Akun? Why can't we say I was talking?
because
Acha,
because this is change.
I
Okay, so
was here.
we are talking is nakun, we is nakun,
Nakun.
and I is akun. And other
Huh.
and other forms, other forms is yakun,
Okay, okay, understood.
and other form is takun. Fahim mafhum takun. And now is akun first person, now is first person plural nakun.
Hmm. So Akun Atakallam means I was
I
talking.
was talking,
Nakun Natakallam would be
we
we
were
were
talking.
talking.
Aywa, mafhum. Okay, so we were talking about when situates. Okay, so when Khurram Nagar, when does Khurram Nagar situate in Lucknow? So when 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 Khurram Nagar, when Khurram Nagar situates, what is here is what is a yaka, yaka. So here is what is yakau, and you can say just yaka. So yakau and yaka. When Khurram Nagar yaka, yaka means situates. So when does Khurram Nagar situates? When Khurram
Situates or
Nagar
situated?
hmm?
Situates or situated? Where Kuranagar is situated.
Situated. Okay, situated. Okay, situated. Fi Lucknow. Fi
So Yaka.
yaka. So use word varga. But Anurag, just remember, if word is feminine, so your yaka is taka. Okay. Suppose,
Hmm.
do you know any word? It is confirmed. It is feminine, right? Because uh, maybe suppose Madina Kanpur. So you know is confirmed, right? Is a feminine because Madina is feminine. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you know ki this word is a masculine or feminine, it is confirmed. It is confirmed ki yes, it is feminine or masculine. So use different. Just make difference. Yaka and taka. Yaka and Taka,
Yaka
and
or
it is
taka.
not confirmed, you can use any yaka taka, no problem. So when Khurram Nagar, and when Khurram Nagar, here is what is here is I any city's name, maybe maybe city's name, Qatar. Yes, okay, Qatar. Yes, actually, city's name is considered feminine. Country's name also, like Qatar. Qatar word is no sign of feminine, Anurag, but it is considered feminine. Qatar,
Hmm.
Qatar.
Qatar.
So I think city is also considered feminine. So I think better you can say Taka. Okay, no problem.
So
Okay,
always use taka.
always is mostly yes, use Taka. Yes, Aiva mostly.
So
Hind.
situated will.
Even country name is also considered feminine, like Hind. Anurag, Hind word India is considered feminine. Hind
Okay. So
is
all,
considered
so
feminine.
essentially all the countries' names are basically feminine words.
Yes, yes. Okay, to use Taka. Okay, so when Khurram Nagar Taka fi Lucknow. Okay, yes. Shidgul, what are you saying? Shidgul, what are you saying? Shidgul,
Anagul,
Aiwa.
uh, Anagul, uh, uh,
Anagul. I'm seeing
Anagul,
in map. I'm
Kuranagar,
seeing in map.
okay. Anagul, uh, Ana Shuf,
Aiwa.
uh,
في خريطة
Kharita,
في خريطة أنا
في
أشوف في
Ana
خريطة
Shuf,
يا في
Ana
الخريطة.
Shuf, Ana Shuf Kharita,
أيوة
Zak, Zak, Zak Khuram Nagar, uh, Taka,
ممتاز
Khuram,
ممتاز. خرم نگر
Khuram
تقا.
Nagar Taka,
ممتاز
um, uh, Tafi, Shamal al Lucknow.
ممتاز. في الشمال في الشمال لكنو في شمال لكنو. أيوة أيوة
Shamal
أيوة.
Lucknow.
أوكي أيوة أوكي. في شمال لكنو. أوكي.
And if I can add, va, uh,
وأعد وأعد وأضيف وأضيف and I add أضيف. أضيف means I add.
no, no, add me, but I don't want to say and. I want to just say
And okay.
and.
Wa.
And va, uh, uh, Heda Kariban,
هذا قريب.
Vikas Nagar, Heda Karib, Vikas Nagar, Indra
ايوه
Nagar,
ايوه
Mahanagar.
ممتاز ايوه ايوه ايوه. وهذا غريب او yes. وهذا غريب विकास नगर. ممتاز. Okay,
Vikas
so
Nagar.
vikas nagar. So I'm asking you, have you been there? Okay, so have you been there? كنت هناك. كنت, have you been there? Simple word. كنت هناك. अनुराग, كنت هناك.
Uh,
Have you been there?
Ana La Fakar. I don't think so.
I okay.
Ana La
So simple word is simple word is كنت هناك. Have you been there? Simple. كنت هناك. Have you been there? كنت هناك. كنت هناك. Suppose no. I did not go there. So answer is no.
I did not go. Mafi
رحت.
Mafi Ruth.
أنا ما في.
Mafi Ruth.
أنا ما في رحت. I did not. I did not go. أنا ما في رحت. Okay. Yeah. Suppose have you been there? So I did not. أنا ما في كنت. أنا ما في. You can repeat it same.
Mafi Kunt.
أنا ما في كنت.
Okay.
أنا
Mafi
ما في.
Kunt. Okay.
ما في كنت.
Kunt Hunak. So answer can be Mafi Kunt.
ما في كنت. كنت هناك. كنت هناك. لا ما في كنت. ما في. I have not been there. Okay.
So
So
Mafi, so Kunt Hunak means not there, but it is understood that I'm saying I have not gone there. So
yes.
I don't need to use the Ruth word at all. Mafi
Yes.
Kunt.
ما في كنت. ما في
Mafi
كنت.
Kunt.
Okay. ممتاز. So أنا ما في رحت or you can say أنا ما في كنت. ممتاز.
Have you
ممتاز
bought
أنوراغ.
the
So
have you
أيوة.
have you bought the Zoom subscription?
إن شاء الله إن شاء الله yes. أنا أفكر. Okay. إن شاء الله. أنا أفكر.
Hmm?
No. I don't. So today is not interruption, right? Okay. ما
Yeah,
في
there was
أشتري.
no interruption.
أنا لم
It
أشتري.
is
I did not buy. أنا لم أشتري. أنا but أنا أفكر. But why today is no لا تدخل. Okay. لا تدخل. Okay. Don't interruption. So
maybe
I did not buy. Anurag also is just learn this word. I did not buy. Analam ashtari. Analam
ana lam ashtari.
ashtari. Analam ashtari. But inshallah ana fakkar. No problem. It's a very little. Okay, I think arbash dollar. Arbash. Arbash
Arbaaz
dollar.
Dular.
14. But but what
Okay.
happened today is not no interruption, right?
Only ممكن بسبب ممكن بسبب
اثنين نفر ثلاثة نفر
اثنين نفر فقط.
اثنين وفوق. اوكي اثنين وفوق. ممتاز. ممتاز.
Yeah. No, I'm
Okay.
saying that because only two people are there.
Only two people there are there
اثنين
or
نفر
above or above.
فقط.
فوق اثنين نفر.
So they will charge if it is above two people.
ممكن. اوكي ممكن. اوكي نوراك. So حان الوقت لختام اليوم درس اليوم. Okay, so Asak, I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Asak means Asak. I hope Asak tamattat dars al-yawm. Asak. So of course, I enjoyed. I enjoyed much. Okay, Asak tamattat. Asak tamattat. Asak tamattat dars al-yawm. أيوة. Of course.
Of course. حتى الآن.
Of course.
No. Of course is
طبعا. طبعا.
طبعا.
طبعا.
طبعا.
طبعا.
أنا
Okay.
تمتع.
طبعا. Just say
أنا تمتع.
طبعا.
أنا تمتع.
Say.
طبعا أتمتع.
No, don't say in flow. No, don't say طبعا. طب cut an. Okay.
طبعا. طبعا.
طبعا.
طبعا.
So separate.
طبعا.
Say separate in two syllable. In two syllable. طبعا. أيوة.
طبعا. And I enjoyed. So
تمتعت.
أتمتع.
تمتعت. Same.
Okay. But I enjoyed hoga, so it should be a, right? Atamatta.
No. It's a past tense, right? Actually, tamattatu or tamattata, Anurag. Tamattata or tamattatu. Tamam? But
so
we
tab'an tamattat.
Tamattat, kathir. Tamattat, kathir. Okay? A lot or much. Okay? A lot, much. Okay, tamattat, kathir. Okay, aywa. So I'm asking again. Okay, so asak tamattat das al-yawm in Iraq.
طبعا تمتعت كثير.
ممتاز.
شكرا.
اوكي انوراك. اوكي سو ان شاء الله اشوفك يوم اشوفك بكره انت مشغول تمام؟
يا لا بكره ما في بكره.
ما في مشغول؟
مش مشغول بكره مشغول.
بكره مشغول. اوكي سو ان شاء الله اشوفك يوم الثلاثاء ان شاء الله.
يوم الثلاثاء تمام.
يوم الثلاثاء. اوكي ممتاز. اوكي مع السلامه. يعطيك العافيه.
مع السلامه.
يعطيك العافيه.
الله
يحييك. اوكي الله يسلمك. اوكي يس الى اللقاء. See you.
إلى اللقاء. مع السلامه.
السلامه.
إلى اللقاء. مع السلامه.
Yes.